The OG Xbox, a widely praised console in the gaming community and the first console to be released by Microsoft. It's been 16, coming on 17 years since the release of this incredible beast, and it's time we look back on the glory this monster once held within millions of households.
For the first time, let me now unveil Xbox.
Released back in 2001, the Xbox featured a 733MHz Intel Pentium 3, revolutionary for the time, with 64MB of DDR memory, along with a variant of the GeForce 3 chips, co-developed by Microsoft and Nvidia. Weighing in at 8.5 pounds, this thing is not light, and compared to the PS2, it's an absolute behemoth. But enough of all the technical specifications. I'm going to let you see what this machine can do. So, with that, let's jump into the benchmarks. And there we go. Those were some of my favourite games being beautifully rendered by the Xbox. While I didn't grow up with this console and have only had it in my possession for 2 years, it still holds a place in my heart as the best used classic console on the market. And I must say, that Duke controller is one of my favourite quirks about the Xbox. And you never know, you may be as lucky as me and get one with some great music on it. I'm Owen, thanks for watching this retro look back on the OG Xbox, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.